Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. So you just got free from your science diagrams, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I am sharing a screen as fourth B.
Good morning, ma'am.
Give reasons.
Fourth B.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
As
morning.
fourth B has not done give reasons, and
Okay, so
fourth A
it
has
was
done.
a combined class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. All right. So we had done till the DIY activity. Now
Yes.
we were supposed to start from biosphere.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Everybody open your books to page number. I don't know the page number, but on the page where biosphere paragraph is
Excuse me,
given.
ma'am.
Yes.
I'm switching
Ma'am,
off my camera for a
34.
minute.
30.
What happened?
Ma'am, I'm switching off my camera for a minute.
Okay, no problem.
And the page number is 34. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, we have to take out book.
Yes, you have to take out the book.
Ma'am, now we will do biosphere.
Now what?
Ma'am, now we will do biosphere.
Biosphere, yes. Now who will read biosphere? Who was left to read? Okay, Vedanshu. Vedanshu, start reading biosphere.
The biosphere is made up of the parts of the earth where life exists. All living things require air, water, and land to survive. Thus, the biosphere includes the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Living things are found in land, water, and air. Thus, the biosphere extends over the large area. An ecosystem is a complex community of living and non-living things functioning in a single unit. The biosphere has many ecosystems.
Okay. Now we study that biosphere. Now, what is biosphere? Biosphere is the mix of all three. It has land, it has water, and it has air. Right? And biosphere consists of all the places where life exists. Because there are few places on the earth where life does not exist. Like you can say the centermost, the middle part of the earth, which is very hot, which is the hottest part of the earth. Their life does not exist. It comes under lithosphere. But biosphere is where life exists, whether it is in the air or it is in the water or it is on the land. So biosphere means lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Living things are found in land, water, and air. The biosphere extends over a large area. Now, biosphere is not limited to any one area. Biosphere is, it spreads over a large area. An ecosystem is a complex community. Now, what is an ecosystem? It is a community, a complex community of living things and non-living things functioning as a unit. We are living on this earth. We are living, we come under living things, and we also have non-living things. So we function as one unit. It is an ecosystem. Is that fine? Yes, Akshat?
Ma'am,
Yes, Akshat?
Ma'am, I don't understand the biosphere.
You don't understand biosphere. Now biosphere, beta, biosphere, see, like lithosphere is land, the solid particles of land. Okay. Hydrosphere is water. Atmosphere is the air that surrounds the earth. What is biosphere? Biosphere is a mix of all three. Biosphere includes air also, land also, and water also. Okay? Biosphere, it extends over a large area where life exists. Biosphere is, we can talk about where life exists. Now see, there is a diagram given. There is a diagram given of biosphere. No, it's not given here. Okay. In the last picture, can you see in picture study? Can you see the picture study? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
look at the picture and answer the question. What is the first question? Which domain of the earth do you see in this picture? Which domain can you see?
Ma'am, lithosphere.
I can see water also. I can see birds also in the air. I can see land
The
also.
biosphere.
Yes.
Biosphere.
This is biosphere. It is including everything. Now you understand what biosphere is? Biosphere is made up of all the three domains. It is a mix of all the domains where life exists. Now there are parts of the earth.
Made up of 4, not 3.
Biosphere is the fourth domain which includes all three domains. Arsalan, biosphere is the fourth domain. Now this domain consists of all the three areas where life exists. Now there is a particular level of the air above which life does not exist. There are birds flying in the air, you have seen. Now, do the birds touch the sky? Do the birds fly up till the moon?
No, ma'am.
So high? No, there is a level, there is a limit to which life life in the air exists. There is a particular level under the sea in which life exists. There is a particular area of the earth on land where people can survive, right? So all these areas where life is possible, that comes under biosphere. Because there are areas where life is not possible. Above a particular level in the air, you cannot breathe. There is no oxygen. The atmospheric pressure is very high. So their life does not exist. That will not come under biosphere. If we talk about under sea level, now there is a particular level under the sea where life exists. Below that, life cannot exist. So that does not come under biosphere. Biosphere is where life exists in the three domains of the earth. Do you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And the biosphere has many ecosystems. It has many different ecosystems. Okay. Done? Now you want to read this chapter. Let's read this chapter once again. Now you will understand each and everything of the chapter. After reading it one more time. Okay, Taranveer, you have not got the turn to read. Arsalan, you haven't got the turn to read. Arsalan,
Yes.
Arsalan, read from the beginning, from lithosphere.
Okay, ma'am. The land masses
Land
or
masses,
soil
land masses,
or soiled portion of the earth from the lithosphere. The earth is made up of 4 layers. Its surface on which we live is called crust. It is made up of rocks and other soil soiled particles. The lies below the ocean's beds and contains is the metal. This layer is thicker than the crust and is made up of magma. The core is the center
Done?
of the lithosphere. It is made up of iron and nickel. The cores are divided into two layers, the inner core and the outer core. The core is the hottest part of the earth.
Now, do you
Biosphere.
think, okay, beta, stop. Do you think life exists in the core of the earth? Do you think life exists in the core?
No,
As,
ma'am.
as it is the hottest part of the earth,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
life does not exist there. Where does life exist on the earth? In which layer?
On the crust. On the crust.
crust.
On the crust.
Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, did the core is hotter than volcano's lava?
What, beta?
Ma'am, the core is hotter than the volcano lava.
Now, beta, we will have to go into deeper study. To know all this, we really have to get into a very deeper study of all this. Okay?
Okay.
Then, next, hydrosphere. Who will read? Who didn't get? Sorry, Taranveer. Taranveer, read out hydrosphere. Taranveer is not there. Looks like he is not there. Go, beta. Alark, are you there? Alark Pratap? Alark is not there. Yuvraj Singh?
Yes,
Taranveer, beta, read from hydrosphere. Where are you? Huh?
the hydrosphere consists of all the water bodies of Earth. The water cycle.
What are you reading? The word hydro means water.
Okay, ma'am. The word hydrosphere means water. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered. That water, the hydrosphere.
Taranveer, beta, you really need to practice reading. Now, daily before going to bed, you must read one page. Okay?
Ma'am.
You're in class
Ma'am, I am
4,
reading.
beta, and you're not being able to read out such a simple paragraph. Okay, Aman, read.
Hydrosphere. The word hydro means water. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. The hydrosphere consists of all the water bodies found on the surface of the Earth. It includes water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Water is also found below the ground as groundwater is wells and aquifers.
In wells and
What?
aquifers. Okay, good. Stop. Manya, continue, beta.
Water exists in all the three states in nature: solid, liquid, and gas. The water that we get from seas, oceans, river, and lake is in the liquid form. Water as a gas is seen in nature as fog. When water in nature cool down, it freezes and turn into
Glaciers.
glaciers, ice caps, and ice bridge. This is the solid form of water. Water cycle. The
Okay, that's
process
all. That's all, beta. That is all. Vedanshu, beta read. Water cycle.
The process through which water changes its form in nature is known as the water cycle. When the sun's rays heat up the water in ponds, lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans, the water evaporates to form water vapor. The water vapor rises, and as it comes in contact of cool air, it changes into tiny drops of water and forms clouds. This is called condensation. When the clouds become too heavy, the drops of water fall down as rain or snow. This is known as precipitation. The hydrosphere is important as it supports life on Earth. Water is important for the growth of plants and the cultivation of crops. It is also important for the Earth's favorable climate.
Okay, very good. Aradhya, read out the next paragraph, beta. Atmosphere.
Okay, ma'am. The layer of air surrounding the earth is called the atmosphere. We may not be able to see the air, but we can feel it when the wind blows or when the leaves rustle. It is the presence of air that makes life possible on earth. The atmosphere acts as a blanket which takes in the heat of the sun and stores the warm air, making the earth livable for us. It also protects the earth from the sun's harmful rays. The atmosphere is made of several gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and has traces of hydrogen, carbon dioxide, helium, and argon. All of these gases are required by the living things to live. Human, animals, and plants cannot live without oxygen. Plants need carbon dioxide present in the air to make food.
All right, beta. Very good. Now Akshaj will read biosphere.
Okay, ma'am. But the biosphere is made up of the parts of the earth where the life acts. All living things require air, water, and land to survive. Thus, the biosphere includes the lithosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. Living things are found in land, water, and air. Thus, this is a biosphere extend over large area. And ecosystem is a complex community of living and non-living functioning as a single unit. The biosphere has many ecosystems.
What happened? Biosphere has?
Many ecosystems.
Okay, very nice. Now you understood, children? Anyone has got
Yes,
any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
So here we are done with the explanation of the chapter also. Now what we'll do is, we will write
Do
the...
exercises.
Yes?
Fill in the blanks in a notebook.
No, before
Ma'am,
fill in the blanks, first
key
we will go... No, yes. We will go through the key points. then we'll be easily able to solve fill in the blanks also.
Ma'am, can I read key points?
You want to read key points? Who wants to read? Gauri. Yes, Gauri, while
Yes,
I'm sharing, meanwhile, you can read. While I'm sharing the screen with you, you can read down the read out the points in the nutshell. Hurry up.
Aslan. The four domains of the earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and the biosphere. The outermost layer of the earth is the crust. The middle layer is the mantle, and the innermost layer is the core. The layers are part of the lithosphere. The hydrosphere consists of all the water bodies on Earth. The water cycle consists of process of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. The blanket
Precipitation.
of
What is
air
it called? It is
surrounding
called precipitation.
precipitation. The blanket of air surrounding the earth is the atmosphere. The biosphere is made up of the parts of the earth where life exists.
Okay, now all of you take out your social studies copies and write down the key points.
Ma'am, how many are there?
Yes, ma'am. How many key points? Ma'am, how many key points?
What, beta?
Ma'am, how many key points are there?
Beta, start writing. Right now, I'm just going to share this screen. On this page, there are only 6 key points. Sorry, 5 key points on this page. You have to do only this much today.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am, please scroll down to fourth key point. Ma'am, please front.
What?
Ma'am, please scroll down. Please. Ma'am, please.
Now it's fine. Can you see all the points?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please see first point.
Beta, this is the first point. See, it is showing, it is visible on the screen. The 4 main domains of the earth are. Beta, mute yourself. Gauri, mute yourself. What are you doing, Gauri? Are you not doing your work?
Ma'am, what is written in the third one after Earth exists?
On the life on earth exists on the layer called the crust.
Ma'am, I have done.
Now wait for others.
Ma'am, can I beautify? Ma'am, can I beautify my work?
Yes, Beta, yes, start doing it.
Ma'am, I can't.
Yes. What?
Ma'am, I can't see your
You can't share?
screen.
What are you saying, Beta? I can't hear.
Ma'am, I can't.
Ma'am, she is saying, ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
You can't see my screen? Why can't you see?
Ma'am, Mubashra is saying this.
Others are also seeing the same screen, Beta. Why
Ma'am, I
can't you
can't
see?
see your.
There will be some network issue.
Don't worry, I'll share it on the D group. Let me just send it on the class group. Check your WhatsApp group, Beta. Class group of WhatsApp. I have shared it there.
I'm done.
Ma'am, I have also done. Ma'am, I am doing. Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, I am.
Ma'am, please scroll down.
Ma'am, please scroll down. Ma'am, please scroll down.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I've done beautifying scroll up. I've done beautifying please scroll up.
Okay, Akshaj, be quiet. I'm telling you, only this page is to be done. I'm not giving you much stress today. Those who have not done, try to finish this page. Oh, now all the 5 points are visible. Don't tell me to scroll up or scroll down.
Ma'am, I am see heading. Ma'am,
Who is seeing heading? Who wants to see the heading?
Ma'am, Ankush.
Ankush, students have completed the whole page and you have still not written the heading. Write down the chapter name. That's the heading. And just write down key points. That's all. K-E-Y, key and points. And see, I have sent it on the class group. Check your WhatsApp. See from there and do.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I done. Ma'am, who has done the work and the beautifying also, they can leave.
What, beta? What?
Ma'am, who has done the work with the beautifying also, they can
Yes,
leave.
yes, you can leave, beta. Those who have done can leave. Those who have not done, please keep sitting.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
have done
Bye,
beautifying
ma'am.
also.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done. Can I leave?
Yes, beta. Those who have done can leave.
Ma'am, I have done. Can I leave?
Yes, beta, you can leave.
Ma'am, I have done. Can I leave?
Yes, beta, leave. Children, have you done? Children, have you done?
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, can I leave class?
Yes, beta, you can leave the class if you have done.